leading the challenge number 1 webinar on importance of fitness.
Namaste to all my respected teachers, coordinator ma'am, principal ma'am, and all my dear friends. I would like to introduce myself. I'm Raj Singh from class 9A.
And my name is Shreya Singh from class 8B. Today we are presenting a presentation on Fit India movement. I am looking forward to talking with you today about Fit India movement. So let's start our topic.
First of all, Shreya will explain you about Fit India movement and who launched this movement and on which date. So Shreya, please start explanation about Fit India movement.
Yes, why not? I will tell about this. So, let's begin. Fit India movement is a nationwide movement in India to encourage people to remain healthy and fit by including physical activities and sports in their daily lives. It was launched by Prime Minister of India Shri Narendra Modi at Indira Gandhi Stadium on National Sports Day on 29th August 2019. As you see on the screen, there was a slogan, and the slogan was, if the body is fit, the mind is hit. Healthy people, healthy family, healthy society. Fitness is not a destination, it is a way of health. Commit yourself to be healthy and fit. And these are the words of Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Thank you, Shreya, for reading this expression to us. Can you please tell some lines on yoga?
Okay, I will tell some lines on yoga. Yoga is not a workout, it is a work in. And this is the point of spiritual practice to make us teachable, to open up our hearts and focus our awareness so that we can know that what we already are and know and be who we already are.
Okay, this is some lines about this. Now we can discuss on exercise and healthy food. Shreya, please start.
Now, I am representing some words about exercise and healthy foods. So, first of all, I am representing some words on exercise. Exercise not only changes your body, it changes your mind, your attitude, and your mood. And fitness is very important to us. Now, I am going to talk to you about healthy foods. Eating healthy is the best choice to make for your diet. It is for good health and can reduce the risk of numerous chronic health conditions. It also helps maintain a healthy weight and give you more energy to enjoy life.
Thank you, Shreya, for saying these beautiful quotes to us. Now I say to advise to all you that when we eat healthy, we do yoga and do some exercise, then we are fit and healthy.
You are right. You say a wonderful advice to us. Now, at last, we see only one thing, that it is health, that is real wealth.
And not pieces of gold and silver. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Lead the challenge number 1 webinar on importance of fitness. Namaste to all my dear teachers and friends. I am Shivam and Garima from class 8. We are here to tell you something about your fitness and health.
Next slide, please. What is health? Health means that when a person is physically, mentally, and socially fit. Now let us know how to stay healthy. Always be physically active. Brisk walk. Brisk walk means when a person walk 100 steps in 1 minute. Do yoga regularly. Yoga is an old discipline from India. Yoga uses breathing techniques, exercise, and meditation. It helps to improve health and happiness. Do regular exercise like stretching, jumping, swimming, biking, etc. Play outdoor games like play cricket, basketball, rope jumping, etc.
Next slide, please. Now let us know why sports. Sports is one such activity which helps us in maintaining proper physique and a positive mentality. Next slide, please. Weight management. It is really very necessary to maintain proper weight and body shape. Next slide, please. Next. Obesity. Obesity means when body have too much extra fat. These extra fat increases high risk of diseases such as heart diseases, hypertension, diabetes, etc.
No alcohol, no smoking. Smoking can cause lung disease by damaging your airways and the small air sacs found in your lungs. Drinking alcohol can cause serious health problems like liver damage, heart damage, etc.
Time management. Time management is most important thing for our life. Time management refers to managing time effectively so that the right time is allocated to right activity. Next slide, please. Stress management. Stress management is most important as if you are taking stress, it can cause you some mental issues. Good sleep. Take at least 7 to 9 hours sleep per night.
Now let us know what to eat. Always take healthy diet. Make a healthy food diet pyramid. Choose water as a drink. Drink at least 8 glasses of water per day.
If there are advantages of mobile, then there are disadvantages so. Advantages such as connecting with others, playing games, listening songs, and etc. But if we talk about disadvantages, it is very difficult because it can cause several serious diseases such as brain cancer, increases stress level, weakens immune system, vision problem, germs, hamper your thinking process.
Be with friends as you can share your problem, happiness, sadness, scaredness with them.
Next slide. Be happy and laugh for no reason. Being happy is the greatest form of success. Take medical checkup regularly as it is most important.
We are supporting Fit India movement. Fitness is not a destination.
It's a way of life.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
यहाँ पे उपस्थित सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। और आज के द्वारा दिया गया राज और श्रेया के द्वारा फिटनेस इंडिया पे जो भी कहा गया है वो बहुत ही सुंदर ढंग से उन्होंने बोला। और मैं यही कहना चाहूंगी सभी बच्चों को कि वो अपने को जो भी हमारे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने कहा है वो अपने को इसका अनुसरण करें और अपने को हेल्दी रखें और फिट रखें। धन्यवाद।